Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious raspberry cheesecake. Perfect for the holidays and it comes out delicious. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Delicious raspberry cheesecake. These are my ingredients. You're going to need butter, vanilla extract, 1.5 cups crumble cookies, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. For the cheesecake, we're gonna need 3 cream cheese, 1 can of raspberry filling, 1 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. 5 room temperature eggs. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing raspberry cheesecake. Perfect for the holidays. So let's get started. I am ready to prepare the crust. I have 1.5 cups of cookie, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. I am making the crust before I start making the amazing raspberry cheesecake. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure that it looks really crumbly, just like that. And now I am ready to just add it into the baking dish. It's a 9-inch baking dish. I am going to help myself with the measuring cup and just push it down, push it up the sides, and then I am going to put it aside. We are making this raspberry cheesecake without the water Marie regular how we make it in the oven. So I am going to show you a different way to bake your raspberry cheesecake. I have 3 bars of cream cheese, regular cream cheese. I am going to mix it very well until it's nice and creamy. Make sure you take it out of the refrigerator at least 3 hours before you make this recipe. I took it out only 1 hour and it's still nice and firm. I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar and a pinch of salt. I am going to incorporate it really good, making sure it's nice and creamy. And now this is the best part, adding the eggs. I am cracking the eggs in a separate plate, making sure that all the eggs come out good, because I don't want to throw all my mixture away if one egg comes out bad. And now I am ready to incorporate the eggs into the cream cheese and the sugar. Let me tell you, when you make your raspberry cheesecake from scratch, it's going to come out creamy, delicious, fluffy, the flavor amazing, and the sweetness just perfect. I am sure that once you make this amazing and delicious raspberry cheesecake, you're really going to fall in love with this amazing cheesecake. And now mix away, make sure that you clean all the sides, and then continue mixing. Once everything's incorporated, we're going to add our vanilla paste or vanilla extract. Do not forget, you need to add it. This is going to help reduce the flavor of the egg and then just bring it up a notch with that amazing vanilla flavor. And now we're gonna mix again with the spatula, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. And now we're ready to pour right on top of the baking dish. Look at this. I am going to just put some foil paper. I don't want to have a mess in my oven.
I'm just going to put some foil paper on the side, a baking dish on the bottom, and now I'm ready to pour. Let me tell you, it's so easy to make it from scratch. And yet you have control of how much sugar, how sweet your cheesecake is going to come out. And now I'm ready to start adding dollops of the raspberry filling. I have 1 can. I am going to be adding tablespoons all around just like that. Once I add all the raspberry on the top and then in the center, I'm going to make some swirls in there. Just like that. You want to really get a little bit of the raspberry all over. Every slice, it's going to have a little bit of the raspberry. Just don't dig all the way to the bottom where the bread cookie crumbs is. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in the oven for 70 minutes. When you bring it out, let it rest at room temperature. And then cover it, put it in the refrigerator, and I'll see you the next day. It's gonna be still jiggly from the center. That's okay. It's gonna firm up. Do not try to open it. Do not try to slice it, because you're gonna be thinking it's still raw, but it's not. So we're gonna cover it, put some plastic rind on the top, put it in the refrigerator. The next morning, let's reveal how this raspberry cheesecake is going to come out. Look at this. I am going to just separate a little bit from the sides with the knife or a spatula, whatever you have in hand. And then I am ready to reveal how this looks. Of course, it's going to taste amazing, delicious. There's no need to add any decoration on the top. I am ready to slice away. Look how beautiful this homemade raspberry cheesecake came out. Of course, I am going to slice. And let me tell you, my mouth is watering. And if you got to this part of the video and you love cheesecake like I do, like, subscribe, and share. And look at the textures. Look how you could really see all the raspberries in between the cheesecake. Just amazing. Of course, you could add a little dollop of whipped cream right on the top, but I am going to enjoy it with my family just like this. Look how amazing this looks. It's perfect for the holidays. You add a little bit of heavy whipping cream on the top and you're ready to enjoy. Look how creamy this is. My gosh, I can't wait to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing raspberry cheesecake made at home with lots of love. Let me tell you, this cheesecake comes out perfect every time and is perfect for the holidays. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So creamy, so delicious. Like I always say, when you bake with love, everything comes out amazing. Just gorgeous. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing raspberry cheesecake. Happy holidays. See you soon. Bye-bye.